right?
Yes, sir.
All right, please go through the last 3-4 questions of the last class, and we'll start with a few questions. All right, just go through them once, revise it. All right, try to solve this question using substitution. All of you, x under root x plus 2 dx. All right, Ahmed. Ryan, Jiva, what the answer? See what you can do here. Take x plus 2 is equals to t. So x will be equals to t minus 2. Now differentiate, substitute the values. See if you can get the answer. I'll give you 2 more minutes. Jiva, Ryan, have you solved this? If I take x plus 2 as t, then x will be equal to t minus 2, dx will be equal to dt. Substituting this, the value of x is t minus 2 and x plus 2 is t. So this is under root t and dx is dt. We can now multiply this under root t with this and this. So this is t into t to the power half minus 2 into t to the power half dt. Now we can break down the integration. This is 3 to the power 2 dt minus integration t to the power half dt. So integration of this is t to the power 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2. So this is 2 by 5 minus 2 into t to the power 3 by 2, and this is also 2 by 3 plus c. Value of t is x plus 2, so 2 by 5 x plus 2 to the power 5 by 2 minus 2 by, 4 by 3 x plus 2 to the power 3 by 2. Ahmed, this is the answer you got?
Yes, sir.
All right. Jiva, Ryan, this thing is clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Note it down. After noting this down, solve another question. Integration 1 upon x minus under root x dx. Very simple question. Ahmed, please send me the answer in chat. All right, very simple question. This is integration. You can take under root x common, so this will be under root x minus 1 dx. If you take this as t, this will be 1 upon 2 root x dx equals to dt. So dx upon root x equals to 2 dt, right? This value we got as dt. So 2 dt upon t, 2 integration 1 upon t dt, which is 2 log mod t plus c. So 2 log mod under root x minus 1 plus c. All right, Jiva, Ryan, clear? I hope it is clear.
I have sent the answer in chat.
Sorry.
I have sent the answer in chat. Is that correct? Or I think it's correct.
Yes, this is correct. Solve the next one. E to the power 2x minus a to the power minus 2x whole divided by e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x dx. In this question, you can take the denominator as t and you'll get the answer. All right, just take this as t.
So the whole denominator or like only
Yes, whole denominator. All right. Jiva, I think you mistyped the sign. That will be half log e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x. Right?
Sir, it's minus 2x. I was not able to type it in chat, so I just sent it. But I got the correct
Alright.
answer.
Yes, yes. All right, very good. Hello, Imad. I think I'm not taking your name right.
Hello, sir. No, sir. Imad.
Imad. All right. And this is your first class?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let me just check this. Is your name like Miril?
Sorry, sir.
Your name is Imad, right?
Yes.
All right. Let me just confirm this if this is your batch. All right. So which chapters have been completed?
Sir, we are doing integration on second exercise.
Integration. All right. So integration is clear to you?
No, sir. Doing practicing activity.
All right. So we have taken 2-3 classes of integration. All right. We have completed substitution method also, basic formulas and substitution method. All right. So it would be really great if you get the 2 lectures of last classes. All right, Imad?
Yes, sir.
Then you can understand everything from now onwards. Like most of the chapter is still yet to be done. All right.
Yes, sir.
So if you remember, if you remember the formulas of differentiation, then
Yes.
formulas of integration is exactly same, just the reverse order, right? Let me give an example.
Yes.
Differentiation of sine x is cos x, right?
Yes.
So integration of cos x dx will be sine x.
Okay.
As simple as that. All right.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So if you remember all the yes, I will be solving that, Ahmed.
I'm not able to do this.
Sorry.
I'm not able to do this question.
All right, we'll do that. All right, Imad. So please remember the basic formulas and of integration. Get the lecture videos and try to solve all the questions when you are watching the lecture. All right.
So now, sir, which sections are we doing here? Integration.
Sorry.
Now, these questions are from where, sir? Exercise. We're doing?
Yes, a few questions are from the exercise. Some are from examples. Some are from like the notes I have, and so on.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So when you get the lecture videos, whenever you see any question solved in the video, pause it and try to solve it on your own. Then it will be clear, right? And if you have any doubts in any concept, then ask me in the next class. All right. Mark it down, note it down. All right.
Yes.
It will hardly take 2 hours for you to go through the whole lectures. All right. So now let me explain what is substitution method. Substitution method is a process where we try to bring down the difficult questions into the basic formulas. All right. So we have no formulas for this type of function. So what we do, we try to replace some value in this function with a simpler function or with a simpler variable. So in this, what we are doing, we are substituting e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x as t. So this whole function is a single variable replaced by a single variable. Now if you differentiate this, we'll get 2 e to the power 2x minus 2 e to the power minus 2x equals to dt. Taking 2 common, e to the power 2x minus e to the power minus 2x dx equals to dt. So e to the power 2x minus e to the power minus 2x dx will be dt by 2. Right. This is the way to do a substitution method. You have to find function and its differentiation. So your differentiation must be also good to solve questions of integration. All right. Now, Ahmed, now you can see what we can do in this question.
Substitute.
So this thing is half dt. The denominator is t. So half outside 1 upon t integration is log t plus c. Right. Now just put the value of t, e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x plus. All right.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, no problem. Ryan, this thing is clear?
Is clear.
All right. So Imad, as you came like in the middle of this class, so if you don't understand something, then just be calm, right? No need to worry. When you get the lecture videos, everything will be clear. All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So actually, sir, I slept too, sir, because I was tired for the first.
Imad, your voice is breaking a lot, like not very clear.
No, sir. Is it okay now?
Yes, like your voice is coming through, but not very clear.
Okay.
All right. You can also type in chat if you want, or you can check your mic. Try to solve this question. 2 cos x minus 3 sin x whole divided by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x dx. All right, Imad.
So in this also, do we have to take both, like the denominator as t or like?
Yes, you can take the denominator as t, you will get the numerator as dt, and you will get the answer.
Okay.
All right. So in this question, you can take 6 cos x plus 4 sin x equals to t. So differentiating, you will get 6 minus sin x plus 4 cos x equals to dt. Taking 2 common, you will have minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x dx equals to dt. This is the numerator. Dt by 2. Just replace the value. This whole thing is dt by 2 and this is t. So half log mod t plus c, half log 6 cos x plus 4 sin x plus c. All right. Jiva, Ryan, Imad, this thing is clear?
Sir, can you just explain that again?
You want me to explain this again?
Yes, sir.
All right. See, this function is very complicated to integrate, right? So what
Yes,
I
sir.
try to do is put the denominator as t. I assumed a variable. Now, if you differentiate this, what will get? 6 cos x differentiation is 6 into minus sin x
Okay.
plus 4 into differentiation of sin x is cos x
Process, yeah.
into dx equals to differentiation of t is dt. All right.
Yes, sir.
Taking 2 common here, we'll have, if 2 is gone from 6, minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x dx equals to dt. All right.
Yes, sir.
Now this whole term is the whole numerator we have,
Okay, 2
right?
crores.
So this 2 we can throw to this side. So we can say the whole numerator we can replace by dt by 2,
Okay.
right? So dt by 2 is whole numerator, and this denominator we have assumed as t, so divided by t. So integration of 1 upon t dt. This is basic formula, right? This is a very complicated function, but this is a very simple formula, which is log of mod t. So we got the answer. All right.
Okay. Yes.
All right. I hope this is being clear to you. One upon cos square x dx upon 1 minus tan x whole square. Try to solve it. All right, I think Imad also has solved this. Very good. Jiva, very good. Ahmed, Ryan,
Sir, is the answer correct?
let me give you a hint. What you can do here is you can write this 1 upon cos square x as sec square x, 1 minus tan x whole square dx, right? So if you take this as t, you will get sec square x dx as dt. Please see, right? And remember the negative sign also. I think everyone like missed that negative sign.
Okay.
So, like, where did 1 by cos square x like, go? Why didn't we include in the
Include in which one?
1 by cos square x?
Yes, we can write that as sec square x, right? 1 upon cos x is sec x.
Oh,
So cos square x will be sec square x. Why I did this? Because I know differentiation of tan x gives me sec square x.
so dt also will be getting minus 6 square x, right? dt.
Absolutely, absolutely. Minus sec square x. So there will be a negative sign also. If you take 1 minus tan x as t, you will get minus sec square x dx equals to dt. So sec square x dx equals to minus dt. So this integration becomes sec square x dx is minus dt upon 1 minus tan x is t, so t square. So minus 1 integration 1 upon t square dt. This is minus 1. This is t to the power minus 2. So t to the power minus 1 upon minus 1 t plus c. I hope this thing is being clear to all of you. So this minus 1 is cancelled. So 1 upon t plus c. 1 upon t is 1 upon 1 minus tan x.
So can you explain this part again? Minus dt by t square.
Right. After substituting, we got sec square x dx as minus dt.
Yes, sir.
So in this question, sec square x dx I replaced with minus dt, and 1 minus tan x is t. So this denominator becomes t square.
Because 1 minus tan x the whole square.
Right.
Okay.
So now minus integration 1 upon t square dt. So we all know the integration of 1 upon t square, right? This is integration of t to the power minus 2. So the power formula.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. So we are bringing t square to the numerator.
Yes. Right. 1 upon x square integration 1 upon x cube. Similarly, 1 upon t square.
Yes, sir.
Please note it down.
Third.
Yes.
I finished it. Could you give next question?
All right. You want me to give you another question, or am I not like hearing it right, or everyone's voice is unclear today? I'm audible to all of you, right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
So
Next.
I still didn't understand like how you got one by t plus c there.
All right. So integration point. So minus 1 upon t square dt. How
Yes,
we
sir.
integrate this? Minus
sir.
integration. This is t to the power minus 2 dt.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. So we have the formula x to the power n integration. This is
Yes, sir.
x to the power n
N
plus
plus
1
one.
upon, right? So
Yes, sir.
minus,
I got it. Thank you, sir.
all right. So next topic here, substitution is completed. I hope everyone is clear. If not, then please get the recorded lectures. You'll be clear. Now integration using trigonometric identities. Right? We all love trigonometry, as I think, right? Everybody loves the formulas. So there is a lots of questions will be facing, which will be solved using trigonometric identities, right? Trigonometric formulas. Suppose we have to integrate sine square x dx. So we know the integration of sine x, we know the integration of cos x, but we do not know the integration of sine square x. So what we can do, please write down these formulas. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. So if you have to integrate cos square x, what you have to do, you have to throw this 2 to this side. 1 plus cos 2x by 2. You can integrate this one, not this one. So whenever you see cos square x, replace the value with this function. Remember this formula. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sine square x. So whenever you face the integration of sine square x, you have to write 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. You can integrate this function. This thing is clear? Yes or no?
Yes,
Correct,
sir.
understood.
All right. So please try to solve it. Replace the value of sine square x with this function. Tell me the answer. All right. How to solve this? We can write the value of sine square x as 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. So this half is outside integration. We can break down this integration. This is dx minus integration cos 2x dx. So half integration of dx is 1 dx, that is x minus integration of cos 2x. I have told you, if they replace x with a linear function, you can divide by the coefficient and you will get the answer. So integration of cos x is sin x. So cos 2x will be sin 2x by 2. This thing is clear?
So how like sine 2x by 2 did we get? What did we get?
I told you in the last class this. You can integrate this using substitution. You have to integrate cos 2x dx. So you can put 2x as t. So 2 dx will be dt by 2. Sorry, dt. So dx will be
T by
half
2.
dt. Right. So this integration becomes integration cos 2x is t, dx is dt by 2. So half integration of cos t is sin t. So value of t is 2x. So sin 2x by 2. Right.
Yes, sir. Got it.
So this I told you in the last class. If you know the integration of sin x, then sin ax plus b integration will be minus cos x by a. Cos ax plus b by a. Just divide by the coefficient. All right.
So
Note it down. All right. I hope you have completed this. Next question. sine cube x dx. And for this, you can use this property. Sine 3x equals to, can anybody tell me the formula for sine 3 theta? This is 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. So from here, you can find the value of sine cube x. So 4 sine cube x, we have 3 sine x minus sine 3x. So sine cube x equals to 3 sine x minus sine 3x whole divided by 4. All right. This thing is clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right, all right. Then please find the value of integration this. Replace the value of sine cube x as this. We get the answer. Anyone solve this?
So I found till halfway, but I was not able to complete it fully.
Not able to complete it. All right. So we can replace the value sine cube x as 3 sin x minus sine
How so
3x.
3 sin x?
Here I explained the formula for sine 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So from here we can 4 sin cube x equals to 3 sin x minus sin 3x. So sin cube x equals to, you can throw this 4 to the side,
Okay.
right?
Okay, sir.
We are just using that formula, nothing else. So now we can break down this equation. Integration
Like,
3 by
equation,
4.
we just have to substitute it with like cos. Right?
Sorry.
Like in this equation, we just have to substitute it with cos, right? Sin
Cos.
cube x equals 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4.
Yes, you just have to use this formula. Then you can integrate and you'll get the answer. So 3 by 4 integration sin x dx minus 1 by 4 integration sin 3x. So what is the integration of sin x?
Minus cos x.
So 3 by 4 minus cos x minus 1 by 4 integration of sin 3x
Sin 3x by 3.
minus cos 3x by
Minus
3,
cos
right?
3. Sorry.
Absolutely correct. So this will be the answer. You can take 1 by 4 common. So what you'll have, minus 3 cos x plus cos 3x by 3. All right.
Yes, sir.
Everyone is clear about this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So can you give the answer like the 3 by 4 minus cos x minus 1 by 4?
Yes. You can write the answer in any form, like doesn't matter, just find the
We
right
can just
answer.
write like 3 by 4 minus cos x minus. We can multiply 4 and 3, right? Denominator.
Yes, yes, absolutely. Plus cos 3x by 12, you are saying, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, you can do that also, no worries. Right. Like final answer, you can leave with whatever form you like. It is not that relevant, but doing all the steps, writing this formula is very important. All right. Yes or no? Everyone is clear about today's class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. And from the next class, your timings will be 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. All right. Please note it down. Right. From 6:30 p.m. to it is shifted to 7 p.m. in IST. All right.
Okay.
All right. So please write down your homework also. Revise trigonometric formulas. All right. And first exercise of NCRT. So first 2 exercises you can do. All right. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir. Noted.
All right, then take care. I hope everything is clear about today's class. And new students, please get the recorded lectures. All right, you have 1 week now, so you can complete the whole 2 videos. All right.
Yes, sir. Okay.